Here at Davis on a Davis shirt to match.
Join me for a simple flight up to Davis, California. The weather's beautiful here, feels like spring already, and what a great time to do some sightseeing and log some cross-country hours to stay current, proficient, and safe. Coming from the southwest, our approach to Davis Airport takes us on a right teardrop to left traffic on runway 17. This provides some spectacular views of Davis's campus as we descend into the traffic pattern. So hold on, why so complicated? Why not fly straight into the runway and land straight ahead? As pilots go into small airports without control towers, we like to get a bird's eye view of the local environment, so oftentimes we overfly the airport and then enter the traffic pattern. So what is a traffic pattern? Traffic pattern is a designated square approach into the airport environment. It keeps us at the same altitude as other airplanes, while keeping us predictable to other traffic near the airport. The benefit of that is it makes it easier to spot traffic since we are all at the same altitude. Also, it allows us to hold while other airplanes are landing ahead of us. Last but not least, flying a traffic pattern makes a smooth landing easier because we're flying consistent altitudes and consistent positioning for each landing. And now we fly left downwind over Highway 113. Fun fact, UC Davis is the only campus in the UC system with an airport. The airport is located west of campus, it has no control towers, so pilots coordinate traffic in and out of the airport. Downtown Davis is a few miles east of the airport, so be sure to arrange ground transportation or rideshare when you arrive.
Here at Davis on a Davis shirt to match. Haven't been here for over 2 years.
Come to Davis to ride historic buses imported from England and now converted to run on natural gas. Davis has a charming downtown, a good selection of restaurants, and a weekly farmers market. Founded as Davisville as a main hub on the Southern Pacific Rail Line, the city is now famous for being a lively college town.
And what a good day to come back. Almost no winds, 3 knots. Pressure temps in the green, airspeed is alive. P5, rotate. Pressure temp look good. Field to the left and right of us. Passing 500. University traffic skies 6025, off runway 17, departing to south, straight on departure University.
Maintaining 2,500, 4 kilos.
Just leveled up here, we're at 4,500, depart of University Airport Davis. We're over Travis Air Force Base, headed southbound, cruising at 115 knots indicated. Today's very smooth, it's about sunset in about an hour, hour and a half, so the sun's a little low, clouds turning orange. Look at traffic on ADSB and traffic's really light here. Go over the marsh in about 5 minutes over Suisun Bay. Over some windmills here where they are doing some power generation. Vacaville's right down there. It's a little hazy down below, it's clear up here. Mount Diablo is in front. We're going to proceed to the west of Mount Diablo, fly down the valley east of the Bravo Shelf there, and then descend into Hayward at Dublin, via Dublin over 580.
Thanks for riding along. We will squeeze that stall horn and make this landing nice and soft. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.